I had only one thing to say. Sign me up.
What is that?
9137. Let us choose the right plan. And find out about an AARP.
Oh no.
Supplement insurance claim. A personal health insurance advisor.
What are you doing?
Holds the same distinction as state Senate president. Our CNN's Jim Spellman is in Denver. He got to witness a piece of history.
Don't grab it. Oh.
Hi, Kara. It's sort of the first day of back to school here at the state capitol in Colorado.
Oh.
And, these two gentlemen, both sort of citizen legislators. One is a lawyer,